Hello, everyone. Today I'm thrilled to guide you through the process of making money by creating stunning images with ChatGPT. Whether you're an artist looking to explore new ways to sell your work, or someone interested in tapping into the power of AI for income, this video will show you how to find your niche, craft high quality images, and turn your creations into profit. And if you need more prompts or additional resources, don't forget to check out the pinned comment below. All right, let's dive in. Now, before you dive into creating your art, it's essential to determine who your audience is or who your buyers or consumers that you want to target and what they'll be interested in buying. So, who do you want to target with your artwork? Are they teenagers, young professionals, or maybe in a specific gender? Or perhaps you're aiming for fans of a certain hobby or lifestyle? Well, the more specific you can be, the better. So let's get started by asking ChatGPT for some niche ideas. Apologies for that. So let's go down here in the input box, and here is the prompt that I come up with. So I'd say, ChatGPT, come up with a list of potential niches that might appeal to, let's say, young adult women who are interested into yoga and wellness. Then I would ask to include like five distinct niches, of course, a description, and why each might be profitable. So now with this out of the way, let's send this over. Now, let's see what ChatGPT suggests. So, it might be analyzing the demographic we provided to come up with targeted niches that could be both popular and profitable. So, let's see how ChatGPT had processed with the results. So, as you can see right here, we have, let's go through with each niches and discuss why it might be a good fit for your creative work. So let's go over here. The first one, nutrition and plant-based diets for yoga practitioners, home for plant-based or holistic diets, offering content related to plant-based nutrition, meal plans, or wellness-focused recipes, blah, 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 blah. Next, we have wellness travel and yoga retreats. Then we have up here like holistic beauty and self-care, focusing on products for organic skincare. And yeah, so remember, choosing the right niche can set the foundation for your success in selling AI generated images. Now that you've pinpointed the niche of your choice, it's time to focus on creating high quality images that will make your items or any creation that you want to consume to very irresistible to potential buyers. Now, with ChatGPT, generating stunning high resolution images is easier than ever. We'll craft a prompt that ensures that your creation or any product or anything that is showcased in the best possible light. So let's see how we can create an image that highlights your key features or anything that stands out. So let's say I would sell like a picture of an art like a smartwatch that could target a demographic niche like tech enthusiasts, like an adult age range, that is. So here is the prompt that I come up with. Let's say, create a high resolution image of a sleek, modern smartwatch with a black band, displayed on a white background with a soft shadow. See, it's gotten more and more detailed, so ChatGPT would be specified enough and generated a much easier. So this should highlight in watch face, then it gives like the details to generate the photo even better. And once that everything is crafted really well, let's send this over. All right, I've just sent the prompt to ChatGPT. So it's working on creating the image right here. So this process might take a while. So remember, that's not only visually appealing, but also highlights the important details. So you can see, still loading, and yeah, look at that. It's pretty cool, I must say. So here it is. So this kind of attention to detail can really resonate with your target audience. So making this more appealing and increasing the likelihood of making the sale. See? It's looking really cool, huh? Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys. Now that we've covered how to create high quality product images, let's take it a step further. Let's go with designing custom merchandise. Whether you're thinking about t shirts, mugs, or phone cases, having a unique and eye catching design can transform ordinary items into must have products. Now, we're going to craft a prompt right down here in the input box that will help us design a piece of merchandise that's both visually appealing and market ready. Now, here's the prompt that I put together. So let's say I'd asked ChatGPT to generate let's say, a whimsical, colorful design featuring like a cat, for instance, a playful cat with playing with a ball of yarn in a garden. And I have to be, let's see, generate let's, there we go. Let's generate, hold on, let me fix this. Generate a whimsical, colorful design featuring a playful cat playing in a ball of yarn. Yeah, there we go. That's much better. And then I added this one. So I'd say this design will be used for a t-shirt print aimed for, so let's say the demographic niche would be cat lovers. So here we go. So let's send this over. All right, so I've just sent the prompt to ChatGPT, and now it's working on creating a design that captures the playful and vibrant essence we want for this t-shirt. So here it is. See, this is how it came out. So, as you can see, with a design like this, you're well on your way to creating custom merchandise that not only looks great, but also sells well. See? Looks good. Now that you have your beautiful images and custom designs ready to go, it's time to focus on how to monetize your creations effectively. Selling digital art is not just about having great products. It's also about finding the right platforms, setting the right prices, and marketing your work to the right audience. Now, let's start by asking ChatGPT to help us identify the best platforms for, let's say, selling digital art and merchandise. So here's the prompt that I put together. So let's say, generate a list of online platforms where I can sell digital artwork or custom merchandise. See, just as I stated earlier, but this time I gotta make it a bit more specific. Suggest so ChatGPT would generate it even easier, and that would be in my favor. With that, let's send this off. All right, I've just sent the prompt to ChatGPT. As you can see, it's processing right now with the list of platforms, let's say for selling digital artwork right here in this section. And here it is, selling custom merchandise. This one's a different one. As you can see, we can go right here with the comparisons. As you can see, they're compatible with both digital artwork and custom merchandise to some of these platforms mentioned, just like, let's say, Threadless. See? The Threadless offers the ability to sell like t-shirts, accessories, my apologies, and home decor. There's also a wide range of products right here. And as for the different platforms, let's see, Etsy right here. They're here for custom merchandise like Printful, and yeah. So here we go. Choosing the right platform is the first big step towards monetizing your work effectively. And just to show, can be helpful in choosing the right marketplace to showcase your work and connect with potential buyers. Now, we'll ask ChatGPT once again to help us come up with pricing that makes sense for your specific situation. So you can confidently set prices that attract buyers and ensure you're fairly compensated for your efforts. Now, let's go here once more, then put together my prompt. See, here it is, just as stated right here. It says determine the prices. So let's say AI generated t shirt designs by considering factors like time spent creating them, target market, and current competitive pricing in the market. And yeah, now let's send this off, and it all depends on whether ChatGPT would provide us with all the details to strategize with the pricing status and also the prices as well. Let's see. So just sent right here. As you can see, ChatGPT has then gave us a step-by-step breakdown. Here it is. There's target market. There we go. And this has given us more advices. Let's see the price comparisons right here. There's production and shipping costs. And then there's psychological pricing. And yeah, there's so on and so forth right here. And there, with ChatGPT's help, this has given us a solid foundation for setting prices that both attract customers and reward your creativity. So, as you can see with this strategy, you'll be well on your way to setting prices that not only sell, but also reward you for your creativity and effort. And by now, you should have a solid understanding of how to create and sell AI generated images. Now, remember, the key to success is knowing your audience, creating high quality visuals, and marketing effectively. That does it for today, everybody. See you guys next time.